So when you first open the Clips app, it goes directly to camera, so it's shooting whatever it sees. To get away from that, let's go to the posters section. So when you open the posters section, you can scroll through and see all the different kinds of graphics that are available to you. Down here at the bottom, these ones with characters, they're not customizable, they're more just slides. The other ones, however, are fully customizable, and there are lots of options. You can scroll to the sides and see lots of different ones. These will animate when you insert them into your video. So here's the one I chose. So I picked this slide to make the title for this video. Just click on it and then you can use the keyboard to type in whatever title you want for yours. And then once you've done that, just hide the keyboard and get ready to record it. This red button down here at the bottom, you have to hold it for as long as you want something to record. Notice that down at the bottom you see it scrolling across. That means it's being added to the video. If you go under the Library tab, you have access to your camera roll. So anything that you want to add, like I'm going to pick this picture here, and if I want to, I can hit the star button and it will give me some filter options. So I can change the filter on the picture, black and white, what have you. And I can also, after I've picked my filter, go in and add labels, stickers, emojis. The labels are great for identifying important things. These two can be moved around and customized. You can change the size. The stickers are something that can be fun, but can also add a little bit too much if you add more than you need. Since Keith Haring liked spaceships, we're going to put those in. And, you can also add these shapes, and the arrows will do a really good job of pointing out important things in the video. Like if you wanted to point out this is Basquiat, and you can add that in right here. And, since we have a spaceship, let's give them an alien too. And then I'd hit my red button to record. And now I've got the animation going on my recording. One of the hard things to remember is to do voiceovers, you have to hold the red button and speak at the same time. This is probably the hardest thing to remember. If you want to add speech to text, simply click on this button over here in the corner that looks like a speech bubble. Then your live title options come up. You can pick the one that you like the best. I'm going to pick this one, and then you can speak while recording to add text. I simply choose the style that I want and start to talk while holding the red button, and what I say will come up on the screen. To do things like edit the clip, move things around, add live titles, I just click onto the one that I'm interested in and I get that box around it. Then I can go in and say trim by adding or deleting time from my video clip. I can also go in and add effects. I can mute and unmute things. This is my best editing tool within Clips. If I want to rearrange clips, I simply click on one and move it to where I want it. If I don't want it there, I can move it somewhere else. So if I want to add music over my Clips video, I click this button here with the music note. When you click soundtracks, all these different options come up. This has so many more options than iMovie. Simply click the song you want to add it. Simply hit the apply button to add it to your clip.